Welcome back. Now, course platforms typically have their own specific proprietary upsell process. And so you will need to determine how your platform, if you're using a course platform like Teachable or Thinkific, you need to operate the specific upsell process. Teachable's process operates within specific content areas or lessons. For example, we can go into this specific lecture. And what you're going to see here is that within the lesson, one thing that we can do is click here and we can click Add Upsell. And it's then that we can choose a specific upsell for us to offer to our customer that watches this lesson. We can choose a specific pricing plan. So if you're going to offer some kind of special pricing, you want to make sure that there's going to be a pricing plan available inside of the product that you're going to be placing in the upsell. You'll then want to write in copy. What you can then do is to save this upsell. You'll then notice then that you have text stating that the upsell is then going to be available. You can then move the upsell where you want it to be. Once you've done that, you can then preview the page where the upsell is going to be. And so you'll notice now that the upsell is going to be available inside of your product area inside a specific download or video watch page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.